Hey people, it's the Tech Tree. Do you want to learn how to improve your audio quality in Audacity? If so, then you've come to the right place. First, you'll need to open Audacity. If you don't have it, then there will be a download in the description. Next, set your recording channels to mono to make your voice sound more consistent. After this, record your audio leaving a 5-second or so gap so we can generate a noise profile. Hey people, it's the Tech Tree, and this is an audio test. After you have recorded your audio, select the small 5-second portion, then find an open noise reduction. Keep these values default at the top of the new window. Press Get Noise Profile. Now double click on the audio track to select all of it. Again, click on the Effect panel and press Repeat Noise Reduction. Following this, go back to Effect and click on Equalization and open the Select Curve panel and select Bass Boost and click OK. Then repeat. However, instead of selecting Bass Boost, to select Treble Boost, then click OK. Go to Compressor this time. When the window pops up, copy the settings that are on the screen now and click OK. The last step is to normalize so the audio doesn't distort. Make sure to set the maximum amplitude to -0.1 decibels. Hey people, it's the Tech Tree, and this is an audio test. Hey people, it's the Tech Tree, and this is an audio test. And that's it. Now your audio is a lot better and easier to listen to. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!